back to Mrs. Blux Life. I am Sarita, and thank you for being here. Okay, we do have a video in between. We're gonna call this the intermission, but this is the intermission video. I gifted myself a bag after the meetup just for like a push gift to, I guess, to an extent. But I end up trying on the soft tabby 36 the day before the meetup. I went to the store just to go over everything with the manager to make sure we were, on the same page with everything. And I just didn't want any hiccups, which I had none. So I'm thankful for that. And if you guys follow me on TikTok, a lot of y'all have already saw some of the content from other people tagging me or from me on sharing on my story from the meetup. So another dedicated video is coming. It'll be up today or late today, but you will see that. But I did pick up an item, just a gift to congratulate myself. I don't know, it's still like a surreal moment. So, but I thank the team at 2 locations in Houston that I always try to go to shop through, and they are awesome. The whole Coach brand itself, they take care of their customers, and I love that. So this bag that I tried on, y'all, it to me gives Miranda, Devil Wears Prada. Yes, it gives that. It gives that. And when I tried it on in the store with nothing in it, let me put the video here before we even unbox it. Yes, did y'all see that? Yes, it is giving boss. It is giving classy. It is giving, move back, here she comes. It is giving that. So y'all, my finger is getting smaller, and the people at the at the jewelers said they can't make it any smaller. Like, I don't know what size my finger is. This is a 5, and now it just won't. I don't know. So we're going to figure it out. We're going to figure it out, because they said if they make it smaller, I'm going to lose stones and they'll start coming out. So because the prongs are, it's just a lot. It's a lot. But back to the bag. So let me show y'all what I picked up, because I just had to. Because when at the event, I was seriously thinking about just exchanging out my Rogue 31, since I still haven't unboxed it, and another attendee had hers. Baby, it was decked out. Okay, let me put a picture here. Baby, she had that bag and it was beautiful, and that was my sign. And I'm standing there talking to her, and she was like, "This is the Birkin of coat." What I just told y'all. What? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. And to know I'm not the only one that thinks that, sealed the deal for me. Rogue 31, you are here to stay, honey. But I still had to go get something, okay? Because celebrate you, because celebrate you while you are here, okay? And that's what I did. Now let me tell y'all, I did Friday pick up the Brooklyn 34 straw bag in the multicolor, because I just thought I needed it. Baby, I can go get that from somewhere else for a little less. A straw bag, that bag was $3.50. It's beautiful, don't get me wrong, but I was like, I could put that to better use, and I did. I did. I called another location. They had it. While I was at the meetup, because the location I was at the meetup, they didn't have it. But they had a brand new one. Here we are. Here we are. It is beautiful. It is stunning. The soft tabby 36 is in my life, is in my collection, and I'm happy about it. So here we are. Look at it. Look at that. Y'all, it smells amazing. Let me pop this open. Yep. Y'all know we're going to do a full unboxing, but what are we doing? The reveal. I'm going to try to do the unboxing and take everything off of this and the Rogue within the next 48 hours, okay? Let's just go ahead and put that timeline now. But let me show y'all something else I picked up. It came Saturday. Now, I've told y'all before, I'm from Louisiana. And when we would go to different family events, all my cousins were from either Mississippi or Chicago or some in Louisiana. And my nickname became Louisiana Hot Sauce. So I was like, I need to get the pepper. So I got the pepper. And look at the pepper. The pepper has sparkle. Cayenne pepper. This is the Louisiana. For me, I have to get it. Why wouldn't I? I'm at this point, I'm just all charmed out, because how many charms does one need? I don't know. Same question with the bags. I don't know. It is an unanswered question. But look at this. Yes. It is so cute. And this is super gold, y'all. That is, let me show y'all. Sparkly gold. Yeah. Different. This is a more antique gold. Look at that gold. But yes, I added the pepper. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for showing love on all my videos. And thank y'all for just being a part of my community. I knocked it out the park, y'all, and so many people. My gift, I gave away the Finn Coach bag, and I had it all decked out with the pins. The winner, well deserving. I dealt with her. She works at Macy's. She is a Coach ambassador, and she sells Coach bags. So whenever I'm looking for something and I need it, they get the bags earlier. She is amazing, and for her to win that, okay, God, do your thing. She had tears, y'all, and I said, don't you do that, because I didn't want her to pass out or anything, because I was like, oh, but she was so thankful. She even texted me last night, so I'm so thankful that everything turned out right. Everything was just amazing, y'all, and I'm still, like, taking it in. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for showing me love and being a part of my little community, and I will see y'all the next one. I have the soft tabby, y'all. What? Who am I? I'm Mrs. B Lux Life, Sarita. Okay, bye, y'all. Before I go, y'all, I gotta show y'all some tags that I did pick up. One of them, Lord's, but I picked up this one, yes. And then I got another rose pink or something, and I got a yellow. And then these were the special tags. Coach, what is it, Gone Rogue? I had the Coachy one. I might go back and get them to make me one, but my sister didn't get one, so it was the last one. I let her get mine, and I just got this one. These were free with gift purchases. So, oh, and I got 2 white ones. So yeah, I don't know how I end up doing that, but bye, y'all.